In this video, I'm going to show you 15 powerful Excel shortcuts that can literally save you hours every single week. If you're still clicking through menus, dragging your mouse, or doing repetitive tasks manually, you're working harder than you need to. These are the shortcuts used by experienced Excel users to finish work faster, build reports more efficiently, and boost productivity without learning complicated formulas. So stay with me until the end, because the last few shortcuts are some of the most useful and least known Excel tricks. Ready? Let's jump into shortcut number 1. Shortcut 1: Flash Fill. Still typing names manually? Splitting first names, last names, or email usernames one by one? Stop doing that. Simply type the first result. Now press Ctrl+E. Boom! Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and fills the rest of the column for you. Need to split names, combine text, or extract usernames? Flash Fill does it all in seconds. That's productivity at its best. Shortcut 2: Autofit columns. Look at this worksheet. Some columns are too narrow. Others are way too wide. Most people drag every column manually. Don't. Select your data. Press Alt+H+O+I. Done. Every column adjusts perfectly to fit its contents. Your worksheet instantly looks clean and professional. Shortcut 3: Instant Chart. Need a chart for your report? Don't waste time searching through the ribbon. Simply select your data. Press Alt+F1. Amazing! Excel instantly inserts a professional chart on the current worksheet. One shortcut. 1 second. Presentation ready. Shortcut 4: Create a table. Still working with plain data? You're missing one of Excel's best features. Select your dataset. Press Ctrl+T. Confirm your range. Click OK. Instantly, your data becomes an Excel table. Now you get filters, automatic formatting, structured references, and dynamic expansion whenever you add new records. Shortcut 5: Filter data. Searching through hundreds of rows? There's a faster way. Click anywhere inside your data. Press Ctrl+Shift+L. Excel instantly adds filter buttons. Now you can find exactly what you need in seconds. Press the shortcut again to remove them. Simple, fast, professional. Shortcut 6: AutoSum. Still typing the sum formula? There's no need. Select the cell below your numbers. Press Alt+=. Excel automatically detects the range and inserts the sum formula. Press Enter. Done. The fastest way to total numbers. Shortcut 7: Jump through data. Large spreadsheet? Don't scroll forever. Hold Ctrl and press any arrow key. Excel instantly jumps to the edge of your data. Top, bottom, left, or right. Perfect for navigating large datasets. Shortcut 8: Select large data. Need to select thousands of rows? Don't drag your mouse. Click the first cell. Hold Ctrl+Shift. Press an arrow key. Excel selects the entire data range instantly. Huge time saver. Shortcut 9: Fill down. Need the same formula below? Don't copy and paste. Select the cells. Press Ctrl+D. Excel fills everything downward instantly. Perfect for formulas and repeated values. Shortcut 10: Fill right. Need to copy data across columns? Select the range. Press Ctrl+R. Excel fills everything to the right automatically. Quick, easy, accurate. Shortcut 11: Format cells. Want to change numbers to currency? dates, percentages, or add borders. Don't search through menus. Press Ctrl+1. The Format Cells window opens instantly. Everything you need is right there. You can easily format numbers, do alignment, set the font and border, background color. Here we set the number into currency format. Shortcut 12. Repeat last action. Did you just format one cell? Format we bold this text. Need to do it again? Don't repeat every step. Simply press F4 for next cell. Excel repeats your last action instantly. One key. Huge time saver. Shortcut 13. Insert today's date. Need today's date? Don't type it. Press Ctrl+semicolon. Excel inserts today's date instantly. Perfect for invoices, attendance, reports, and logs. Shortcut 14. Insert current time. Need the current time? Press Ctrl+Shift+semicolon. Excel inserts the current time immediately. Ideal for time tracking, employee check-ins, and activity logs. Shortcut 15. Fill series. Need numbers up to 1000. Weekdays? Or a growth series? Don't drag the fill handle forever. Press Alt+H+F+I+S. The fill series dialog opens instantly. Generate sequential numbers, dates, weekdays, or a custom series in just a few clicks. This shortcut alone can save you hours. There you have it. 15 powerful Excel shortcuts that professionals use every single day. You don't have to memorize them all today. Start using just 3 of them this week. I promise you'll notice the difference immediately. Now tell me, which shortcut was your favorite? Or, which one did you learn for the first time today? Leave your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Center of Best Learnings, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.